Alright, good morning boys and girls. Today our objective is I can describe the value of a digit. Our vocabulary today is digit, a single number, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Value, the amount the digit is worth on the place value chart. Place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, and 100,000. So let's review what you learned when you were younger. So the first house you learned was the ones house. We're going to put ones here. Tens house and hundreds. So the ones, tens, and hundreds when you were little. This house all belongs together. Then we have the thousands house. We're going to call this the thousands house or the thousands period. So we have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So we have HTO for both sections for our place value. So if we had a number, we could just put the number here in our place value chart, 686. So how many hundreds do I have? I have 6 hundreds. The value of that number is 600. I put 2 zeros in the place of these digits here, and that becomes the value of 600. So if I were to do the value of the 8, so I have the 8, and then I have 1 digit following the 8, so that means I put 1 0 in the place of that 1 digit that's following the 8. So the value of the 8 here is 80. Then I have the ones place, and the 1 is 6, and there is no digits following the ones place, so the value of that number is 6. So each value, as you go up the place value chart, it is 10 times more. So 6 has just 6 ones. 8, 80. 10 times 8 is 80. So 10 times 8, which equals 80. So that's 10 times more than the ones place. And 6 times 10 more. 10 times 6. This is in the hundreds place, so 6 times 100. It's 100 times more than the ones place. So it's 6 times 100, which is 600. Or you could say that it's 10 times more than the tens place. So what they're asking us to do today is to tell us the value of each number. So for number 1, let's try 53. What's the value of 5? The value of the 5 is 5 with 1 digit following 50. If we had number 2 and we had 637, what's the value of 6? Well, the value of 6 is 6 and 2 digits following, so the value of 6 is 600. So that's how you figure out the underlying digit. Let's go bigger and get ready for 4th grade questions. So let's say we had 36,472, and they were asking us the value of this 6. So we would put our 6, put our comma, count our digits, 1, 2, 3 digits, 3 zeros, because our value has grown to 6,000. So that is how you determine the value of a number. Now you have to understand the words of this. So if we had where you compared the values of 2 different numbers. So let's say we had 2,000 and we had 200. So you had to compare these two values. The 2 in 2,000 is 10 times more or 10 times less? Well, let's look at it. There's 3 digits here and there's only 2 digits here. So that means that this number is larger because that's in the thousands place. So in this example, it would be 10 times more than 200. Now, let's try another one. Let's say the next one, number 4, let's say we have 500 and we have 5,000. So 500, the 5 in 500 is 10 times more or 10 times less. Is 500 more or less? It's less, that's right. So it would be 10 times less than 5,000. And that's it for today, boys and girls. You found how to find the value of a digit using place value. And then you also learned how to compare the value of digits using place value. See you soon!